So hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm coming back with a very easy summer scarf still and very simple to achieve. I have already posted the written pattern in my blog post if you haven't had a look yet, and I'm gonna explain to you how I made this one and give you the link where to achieve the granny stripes. So this headscarf is very easy. You need to just make a number of chains. In this one I have chain 200, and then if you are new to the stripes, the link will be in the description box to how to make these granny stripes. So chaining 200, I have started making 3 clusters in every chain. And I have used 3 colors, which is the lilac, the gray and the yellow for this one. So it is very simple. I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 rows for this. You just make the length of the scarf, and it is perfect for the beach or for any time during summer. It's fun and easy to make. The stripes are very easy and quick to achieve. I have done a blanket and a tutorial previously about the granny stripes, and that's all you need to do. How to achieve the granny stripes. And so I hope you'll try this project yourself. All the information you'll find in the description box for the written pattern, the PDF version and the full tutorial on how to make the granny stripes. I hope you'll try it, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.